Hi, I am Pratham and I am working on a project called PDF Analyzer. What it does that it takes your PDF document and parse that into text, and through this parsed text it tries to create chunks out of it. And we are doing semantic chunking here, and to do that we have to first figure out what is heading, what is paragraph, and whenever we get a heading we take all the text below it under it, and if the text is more than our threshold tokens, then we divide it under the same heading. And when we create chunks in the end, then we try to create embeddings of each chunk, and we use Xenova transforms for that, and save that to reduce load on our server. And when we create chunks with embeddings, then we start the summarization process. And in summarization process we create batches of our chunks because our chunks are too small, and around 300 to 400 tokens, and our batches takes around 3000 to 4000 tokens. And we use OpenAI here, OpenAI API key, and if it fails we use Xenova transforms to generate summary, but it is kind of slower. And for n number of batches we create n number of summaries, and we try to create these at the end batches. As you can see, n summaries generated, and if n not equal to 1, then it again create batches of summaries, and it will recursively do that till we get only one summary, and we use it as final summary. So what happens when a user asks a query? So when user asks his query, a, a embedding generates for his query, and we find similar chunks through embeddings which we initially created, and we get the top 3 to 5 closest chunks, and we use previous conversation as well and give it to OpenAI, and then we get the response out of it. So our current status is we using rule-based semantic chunking. I am using Hercules and regex algorithms, but I am building an AI-based chunking logic which develops regex and any other algorithm to do chunking for it adaptively. So how it works that we first need to input a PDF document, like let's say I have uploaded this SRS document. Uh, it using GPT-4o mini. It created 9 chunks. As you can see, there are multiple headings, overall description, instructions, introduction, system features, etc. It too generated final document summary for us, as you can see, and we can chat about it as well. Like, let's say what are the system features, what are the system features of it. As you can see, it gave us result pretty quickly. Prompt analysis, user input token, as you can see here, prompt analysis, token matching, ranking algorithm, user UI integration. So this is it. Thank you.